So students, now we will read about the functions of the stem. As I have told you in previous video about roots, that all the parts of plants perform their own function. There are not more than 5 organs in the plant: root, stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So 5 or 6. So in this way, stem is the main organ, and you all know it is the part of shoot system which is above the ground. It bears all the parts of the plant, that we all know. But second main function of stem is to transport materials. In plants, water is transported from roots to leaves for photosynthesis. For photosynthesis, water is essential, and this water is absorbed by the roots from soil. And how it is transported or conducted to the leaves? You all have seen that there is no other support to the plant. Say as we pull water from ground to our tank, we use the motor pump. There is no pump. There is a pull which is caused by transpiration, that will be explained in next video when we will read about leaves. For in class 7 you will get the perfect knowledge, accurate knowledge of this. But you have to understand that transportation of material means what materials? Water and minerals from where? Roots to leaves for photosynthesis. And second conduction is food is prepared in leaves, but food that is prepared in leaves is not utilized only by the leaves. It is distributed throughout the plant parts and is stored also in different parts. That some plants store their food for emergency in their roots, some store in stem, some stores in their leaves, and most of the plants store their food in form of fruits and their seeds. So this food is also transported. Transportation of food is called conduction. So food prepared in leaves is conducted to all parts by flowing. There are 2 types of tubes inside the stem which performs the function of transportation. So these are the 2 main functions of stem. More function it performs, that is their modified forms and function. Modified means changed, बदला हुआ रूप, क्योंकि वो कुछ अलग काम कर रहे हैं, इसी को हम लोग modified forms and function बोलते हैं. All the parts of plants have, means root, stem, leaves have modified function. Root has been explained. Now I am explaining about the stem. First function, as we have discussed in root, stem also stores food, means storage of food in stem is found in many plants. Some plants and their parts, means stems, we eat as our food. This is potato, onion, ginger and so many other underground stems are there which store their food in their stem. Second one is manufacture of food. Students, you all know about cactus. Cactus is the variety of plant which grows in very dry area of the world like deserts. So these plants do not get water for their photosynthesis, means they do not get easily water. So they have to absorb water from very deep of the earth, and so their roots are very developed and long roots. But what is the climatic condition of desert? It is very dry and hot. So their water will get evaporated through the stomata. So they have changed their leaves into spines, and the stem of that plant has taken the shape and structure of leaves. मीन्स स्टेम जो है वो लीव्स की तरह हो गया, ग्रीन हो गया, क्लोरोफिल आ गया उसके पास, और दे आर फ्लेशी मीन्स दे स्टोर वाटर इनसाइड देम. दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टेम्स perform photosynthesis. So second function of modified form is the manufacture of food, which is found in cactus and opuntia. Both are prickly pear is called opuntia. नागफनी जिसको बोलते हैं उसको opuntia भी बोलते हैं. Extra support, as I have told you that many herbs have very soft stems, tender stems, so they need the support, and they climb or creep on the ground. As they climb, they are called climbers, and which one do not climb, they just creep on the ground, are called creepers. So climbers need support to climb, and for this, from their stem, tendril means coil-like structures arise, green, very thin structures which coil the support and give support to the plant to grow. So third one is the extra support through tendrils. The tendrils are the part which give support to the plant for climbing, and these tendrils are part of stem. And last one is formation of new plant. As we all see, we can grow new plants from the stem of rose or rose and hibiscus. Yes, hibiscus and henna means mehendi. So all these plants stem can be cut, but there is a condition that they must have one bud or one node in them. And when we put these stem cutting inside the soil, they from the nodes new plants grows. So this is also a part of, also a type of vegetative propagation. Means vegetative reproduction is the method in which new plants can be grown from their stem, root or leaves. So this is the last modified form and function of the stem. Hope you all will like my video. Thank you.